Hey, well, welcome everyone. Greetings, WeAwakers, and yeah, welcome you guys that join with us all the time and do this, and those are new people. Welcome. We like to do this because it's a good thing to pray and meditate and work together, and it seems to work really well when we're doing it online and Zooming. And we've learned a lot about that in the last year. We knew we were learning about it before, but because of the pandemic, et cetera, it's quite powerful. So thank you. It's important. There's a field that's created when we meditate together, and there is scientific data that goes to show the same. And I think when we use this technology, it's even more powerful. That's what it feels like anyway. So today we're going to do a really interesting track. This is called Deep Recovery. And this track has its roots before WeAwake was even a thought. And I had been doing a lot of work with people suffering from addiction and alcoholism. And I wanted a meditation track to do a guided meditation to help them out. And that's when I first met Leigh Spusta. And I listened to some of his stuff online. I thought, that's really great. And I asked him, I told him what I want to do. He said, yeah, sure, I'm in. Sounds like a great idea. So I got his track and downloaded it, and I listened to it, and I got like 5 books on guided meditations and all this. I was going to get in a squat about guided meditation. And I was going to read the book. Then I just listened to the track before I read any of the books and got a piece of paper, and it just all came out first time. And there it was. Then we recorded it. I recorded it over the track, and then we just left it alone. We didn't release it or do anything with it because then WeAwake started, and we started rolling. And then said sometime later on, I said, "Hey, this thing is in the archives." And so anyway, last week we have a with Integral Life, we have an WeAwake, an integral recovery practice group that we do every couple of weeks. And I was there, and somebody told me there, said, man, I listened to this recording, this track, and it saved my life. It's amazing. Thank you so much. And I, really? So I haven't listened to this in a number of years. So it's going to be a new experience for me. But I think as I recall, it could be a powerful experience, whether you are recovering from addiction or not. We're all recovering from something. And we certainly, a lot of the principles that go into a recovery are extremely applicable to every human being on the planet. So without further ado, I'll see you on the other side. It's 33 minutes. And that's a little longer than most, but get into it, sit up straight, relax your body. Data shows that getting prepared to do this stuff actually helps it be more effective. And yeah, just go with the flow, and we'll see you on the other side.
I feel my body deeply relaxing. I relax my feet. I let go, relaxing deeply. I relax my shins, my calves, my lower legs. I let go. I relax my thighs and my hamstrings. I continue to relax and let go. I relax my belly, my stomach. I relax my lower back. I let go. I relax my upper back and my shoulders. I relax my chest. I relax my upper arms. I let go. I relax my lower arms, my wrists, my hands, my fingers. I relax completely. I relax my throat, my jaw, my tongue. I relax my eyes.
Boy, been a while since I've done that one. That was quite a meditation. Thank you, Leigh. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, and thank all of you. Yeah, I don't have a heck of a lot to say after that. I think it's just good to leave it with that, and yeah, keep coming back and keep cultivating your own interior, your life in your own space, and the only way to do that is just spend time doing it, and do what you can do, and then spirit will meet us more than halfway. All right, that's about it. God bless you guys. Good to be here with you again, and invite your friends and your neighbors, or maybe even your enemies. That'd be good. We can come here and do this together. So, love you. Thanks for being here.